Hello, in this video we are gonna go on our linear algebra course. We learned how to write linear system in the matrix forms, and right now we are gonna learn the operations we can implement in our matrices. There are a few operations which we are allowed to use in matrices, and to teach these operations I am gonna tell them on linear system because I wanna prove that they are not changing our answers and it is possible to use them. As we learned in previous video, it is a linear system, and I know all of you know that we can change the order of these equations. I can write the second equation above and the first equation under it. It won't change our answer. We can do this, and in matrices there is an operation. It is the same idea of this operation. By the way, we are doing this operation in augmented matrix. Let's write augmented matrix of this equation. First equation coefficients, and the second equation coefficients, and we are gonna separate them with dots vertically and write the answer of these equations. It is augmented matrix of this equation, and as we said, we can change the order of the lines. It will be like that. They are the same matrix. It doesn't affect our solution, and it is the first operation, and we are showing this operation like that. It means we changed first row with the second row, and as you see, we can change our rows with each other. It is possible when we are allowed to do that. It is our first operation, and the second operation, let's look at this linear system again. As you know, we can multiply one equation with a constant. It won't change our solution. It will be, for example, let's suppose we are multiplying this first equation with 2. The new equation will be like that, and they are gonna be same. It won't change our solution again. And we can see from here, it is possible to multiply a row with a constant number, and it is our second operation we can use. Let's again write the augmented matrix, and suppose we wanna multiply the first equation with 2. We can show it like that. It means we multiplied the first row with 2, and our new first row is equal 2 times row 1, and it will be like that. But there is something important here we should pay attention. When we multiply, we should multiply the answer side too, because as you know, in linear system, when we multiply whole sides. Then our solution won't change. But if we only multiply the unknowns and we left our answer without multiplication, it will change our answer and it will be wrong. It is something we should be careful. And we learned the second operation, and let's look at the third operation. And as you know, in linear system, it is possible to multiply one linear equation and to add another. Again, it won't change our solution. And we can do it in matrix form too. Again, we write our augmented matrix. Let's suppose we wanna multiply first row with 2 and edit the second row. In this operation, our first row won't change. It will be shown like that: 2 times plus row 2. It means we multiplied first row with 2 and added to the second row, and our second row will change because we showed here our second row. Our first row will be same, and we are gonna write our first row same. When we multiply it with 2, it will be 2, and add it here, it will be 4. Multiply it with 2, 4, and there is a 2 here, it will be 6. When you multiply here with 2, there is 3 here, it will be 11. And here are our operations we can use while we try to find our solutions. It is possible, and we showed them in linear system. It is possible, and it won't affect our answers, it won't affect our solutions. We are using these operations. We are gonna learn some methods after this video to find the solutions easily. And I think they are whole operations we can use. And without multiplication, you can add to. I wanna show that too. It is possible. Let's suppose augmented matrix. Without multiplication, if you wanna add row 1 to row 2, it will be, again, the row 1 won't change because here we wrote row 2. It will be affected. When you add row 1, it will be 1 plus 2, 3, 2 plus 2, 4, and 4 plus 3, 7. Again, we can do that. They are all operations we can use, and we are gonna use them in the next videos. You are gonna see how to solve equations with a few methods. And you should know these operations, and you should know how to represent these equations, because when you see them in the book, you can understand which operation are implemented. And by yourself, you can make some examples by yourself in order to understand and grasp this topic. It is important for matrices because it is the key. We are gonna learn methods and the main idea of these methods using these operations. And today's video is over, and see you in the next videos. Take care of yourself.